guys, it's CP, and today I'm going to be providing you some tips and tricks on how to work from home. There was a time when I did work from home full-time for about 2 to 3 years, so I think some of these tips here will help you be successful in your experience from working from home, and I know for sure that they helped me, so hopefully they can help you guys. Make sure you guys press like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any other tips and tricks you'd like to share from working from home. All right, later guys. One of the first tips is to change out of your jammies. So you don't want to be working in what you slept in. So it doesn't have to be anything crazy, like, you know, like you're ready, like you're going to work. But you can even change it to something just comfortable, as long as it's not in what you slept in. If you have any like daily routines, so for work I usually just put on like some eyebrows and eyeliner. So guys, if you like do your hair, or ladies, you know, do anything else, getting my watch on. Another tip is to open your windows so you can let some natural light in. Opening this helps you see on the outside so it doesn't seem like you're completely stuck. And I have a second window, so we'll open this up too. Workstation that has a separate monitor, keyboard, mouse, microphone, but I understand not everyone could do a setup like this, or if you even don't have your own desk. So my other recommendation, setting up in your kitchen. And I'm not going to set up in my kitchen since I do have my space actually in my living room, but being in your kitchen is also nice. You do have your open space. I'm sure you have a dining table, and in my kitchen is my other window, so then it doesn't completely seem like you are stuck at home, and you can look out your window every now and then. Keeping your TV off so that you aren't distracted by Netflix, Hulu, catching up on all your TV shows or movies. But what I do like, so it's not so quiet in the background, is blasting my sound bar. Even if it's just for a few minutes, don't forget to go outside, even you know, for a little walk. Or, you know, luckily enough, I have my companion here who I have to take out every day, so I get to go outside even for a few minutes. So yeah, this is the important one, because you could definitely get locked up inside your house and not realize it, especially since you're so busy and then the day is sort of gone. So when you can, just take a few minutes outside. And surprisingly, it is a little bit difficult to turn off your computer and completely shut down from work. But a big tip for working from home is to learn how to shut down and to stop working. You know, this is one of the big tips for working from home, especially if you do this full time, is learning how to disconnect and leave work for your, you know, work hours, and try not to schedule anything during your dinner time, and when you're done, you're done. It's recommended, you know, for the better of your sanity, and honestly, I think this is one of the ones it took me a long time to learn, was to step away when work was done. A bonus tip, if you're able, is to have a furry friend, coworker. Jax, shake. Jax, shake. Good boy. Good boy. They are the best coworkers. They do require some love and attention, but they make the greatest companion while you're working from home, and they keep you nice and company. Huh, Jax? You like when mommy works from home? Yeah, good boy.